Let's learn how to send a link in Monopoly Go. If you want to send an invite link for Monopoly Go but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. You should know that this tutorial is the same for both iPhone and Android. The first thing you need to do is open the Monopoly Go game. When you've opened Monopoly Go, you'll be on the page with the game board. On that page, you need to click on the Friends option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click that, a menu with several options will open. From those options, you need to click on the green Invite option located at the bottom of the page. When you click on that Invite option, a page with two options will open. From those two options, you need to click the orange Invite option. When you click that, a menu will open where you will have applications through which you can send the link. On that menu, you need to choose the application through which you want to send the link. After you've chosen the application, select the person and that's it. You've successfully sent the link. This was a tutorial on how to send a link in Monopoly Go. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.